Are you looking to maximize your profits in real estate flipping? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving into the top real estate markets to flip houses in 2024. So, if you're ready to ditch that 9-to-5 and build a real estate empire, buckle up because things are about to get very interesting. First up, we're heading to the Midwest, where the heartland meets opportunity, Cleveland, Ohio. This city's got charm and some of the most attractive prices for real estate investors. The average house price in Cleveland is just $125,000. Renovation costs range from $20,000 to $60,000, giving you more room to profit. Properties fly off the market in just 29 days on average. Cleveland, Ohio should be at the top of your list. The city is not just about affordable housing, it's also about a vibrant lifestyle. Home to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, Cleveland offers a rich cultural experience. With world-class healthcare facilities like the Cleveland Clinic, the city ensures a high quality of life. Educational institutions such as Case Western Reserve University add to the city's appeal. The job market is robust, with opportunities in healthcare, education, and technology sectors. Public transportation is efficient, making it easy to navigate the city. Plus, there are plenty of parks and recreational areas for families to enjoy. The diverse dining scene offers something for everyone, from local eateries to fine dining. Sports enthusiasts will love the city's passionate fan base and exciting games. And let's not forget the beautiful waterfront, perfect for weekend getaways. Community events and festivals bring people together, fostering a strong sense of community. With all these factors combined, Cleveland's real estate market is on an upward trend. Future development plans promise even more growth and opportunities. So if you're looking to invest, Cleveland, Ohio is the place to be. A welcoming community, affordable living, and endless opportunities await you. Connect with local real estate agents to start your investment journey today. Discover thriving neighborhoods and happy families, making Cleveland their home. The future looks bright for Cleveland, and your investment could be a part of it. Cleveland rocks, and so will your ROI. From the rock and roll capital, we're heading to the Windy City, Chicago, Illinois. Known for its deep dish pizza, jazz music, and stunning architecture, Chicago is also a bustling hub for real estate opportunities. Chicago's market is bigger, with more competition and higher prices. The city's diverse neighborhoods offer a range of properties, from historic brownstones to modern high-rises, making it a dynamic place for real estate ventures. The average house price is around $360,000. However, prices can vary significantly depending on the neighborhood, with some areas commanding much higher prices due to their prime locations and amenities. Renovation costs range from $50,000 to $100,000. These costs can include everything from structural repairs to aesthetic upgrades, making it crucial to budget carefully and plan for unexpected expenses. Properties here spend around 59 days on the market. This relatively short time frame means that well-priced and well-maintained homes can sell quickly, providing opportunities for both buyers and sellers. Chicago can be a goldmine for real estate investors. With its strong rental market and potential for property appreciation, investors can find lucrative deals if they know where to look and are willing to do their homework. If you're willing to put in the work, Chicago offers high returns. The combination of a vibrant market, diverse property options, and the potential for significant profit makes it an attractive destination for real estate enthusiasts. Buffalo, New York is writing one heck of a comeback story. The average house price in Buffalo, just $180,000. Renovations range from $30,000 to $70,000. The city's revitalization efforts are attracting new residents and businesses. Homes in Buffalo spend around 40 days on the market. Buffalo offers long-term growth potential and a low cost of entry. Buffalo, New York should be on your radar. Let's head down south to Greensboro, North Carolina. The average home price in Greensboro is just over $193,000. Renovations range from $25,000 to $55,000. Properties here spend around 75 days on the market. Greensboro offers a low cost of entry and solid renovation budgets. Greensboro, North Carolina is calling your name. Let's head to the East Coast, Boston, Massachusetts. Known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and bustling economy, Boston is a city that offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modern-day opportunities. The average house price here is $670,000. This figure reflects the high demand and limited supply in the area, making it a competitive market for both buyers and sellers. Renovation costs range from $80,000 to $150,000. These costs can vary depending on the scope of the project, the materials used, and the location of the property. Renovating a home in Boston can be a lucrative investment, but it requires careful planning and budgeting. Boston's housing market moves quickly, with homes spending an average of 69 days on the market. This fast-paced environment means that buyers need to act swiftly and decisively to secure their desired properties. Boston offers high rewards for those willing to invest. The city's strong economy, excellent educational institutions, and thriving job market make it an attractive destination for real estate investors. If you're ready to compete in a high-stakes market, Boston is your ticket. The competitive nature of the market means that investors need to be well prepared and informed to make the most of their opportunities. Boston could be your ticket to real estate riches. With its combination of historical significance, economic strength, and vibrant community, investing in Boston's real estate market can be a rewarding venture for those who are up to the challenge. Last but not least, let's head to Orlando, Florida. The average house price here is around $410,000. Renovation costs range from $40,000 to $90,000. Orlando's housing market is hot, with homes staying on the market for about 68 days. Orlando offers year-round sunshine and a strong tourism industry. If you're looking for big returns, Orlando is the place to be. Orlando, Florida is the place to be. Flipping houses in 2024 presents incredible opportunities if you choose the right market. It's all about finding hidden gems, adding value, and getting properties back on the market quickly. Do your research, crunch the numbers, and take the leap. Thanks for watching and happy investing.